Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add signature to your letters in Gmail. What you need is open Gmail in any web browser, log in to the right account where you wish to add signature, then click on this gear icon, click on See All Settings, stay on the General tab and scroll down until you see the signature section, this one. Click on Create New, name your signature, click on Create, and in this window edit your signature just like any email. I have preset over here. So you can insert links to your websites and Messenger, you can add images to your signature, you can format text as you wish, and you can create more signatures, as many as you need. So create one more, edit it, and also you can set the default signature over here. For new emails, use main. On reply, use secondary, for example, like this, or leave this field empty. So now don't forget to scroll all the way down and save your changes. And let's compose a new email. Your signature automatically added here, and if you want to change it to another signature, you can click on this pen icon and select another signature like this. That's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.